Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Learnworlds course builder tutorial. Learnworlds is a platform that allows creators to create a course in no time, and you can get started for completely free. The first thing I want you to do is tap on the link that I will be leaving in the description. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be able to set up your course for completely free using Learnworld. So you're going to tap on the link, then from there you're going to sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up and you have chosen your school name, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And on this page you'll be able to pick the template for your school. So you can see the different options or the different categories that you can choose from. So let's say you're offering a coaching program, you could select coaching, and then from there you can scroll down and you could select any one of these templates. Let's say we were to select this template. After selecting the template, you can see from the left hand menu option what's your main objective with Learnworlds, and you're going to tap on selling courses to individuals, selling courses to business, training or onboarding employees. You can select any one of these options. So I'm going to be selecting selling courses to individuals. Do you have any experience with online training? And you can select whichever one of these options best suits you. So you can see them right here. Then you can scroll down and you can choose your audience size, and you can also scroll down and select a role. So let me select a role real quick. Then you can select a topic. So I'll just be selecting a random topic, and you're going to tap on finish. After you have tapped on finish, from here you can tap on explore by yourself, and this is your Learnworld dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is tap on create course in the top left hand corner. Then from here you could input your course name. So let's say for example my course name would be YouTube, and you can also add in your desired introduction. So you can see an example right here, an introduction to the user experience. You can add in that if you want, and you can also upload a cover image by tapping on the pencil icon. Then from there you could tap on upload, and you could upload a cover image from your device. So let's say for example I were to add this thumbnail just for example's sake. So I'll select this. After you have added it, you're going to tap on upload image. Then from there we could change the title if you want. So we could change the title right there, and you can tap on insert image. After you have inserted the image, you're going to tap on continue. Then from there we can tap on continue once more. After doing that, you can select your course access. So for example, how will the users access the course? And you can either leave it in draft, the course will be in authoring mode and not published or visible, or you could tap on free and you could give them access to the course for free, or if you would like them to pay, you can tap on paid right there. So you have numerous options. You can also make it private. You can also set it up as a coming soon course. So we're going to be selecting paid, and we're going to tap on continue. From here you can set the price that you would like to sell the course for. So let's say for example $12, and what is the discounted price if applicable. You could fill that in right there if you want. Then you'll tap on finish. After selecting finish, it is now time to add in the course content. So you can see course outline. You can either choose to start building from scratch, or you can start building with AI, or if you have created a course or you have content that you would like to import, you can select import section. So let's say for example we'll be testing out both of these options. So let's say we were to tap on start building with AI. You can tap on it. Then from there you can select the different activities, learning activities that you'll be providing. So for example, we'll be providing videos, ebooks, PDFs, also exams, and you can select live sessions if you offer that. And if you'll also be offering certificates, you can select certificates. You can scroll down, you can set the number of sections. You can select that, set the number of activities per section, and include specific key topics. Then you'll tap on generate. After you have tapped on generate, you would give it a few seconds. while the layout is being created in the background. And you can see a suggested layout right here, and you can scroll down and you can see 3 different suggestions. So you can see how it looks. Once it is to your liking, you'll tap on insert content. After you have tapped on insert content, you'll be redirected to this page. So you can see we have our layout right here. Now you can tap on add activity, or you can either choose to create activity with AI. But we're going to tap on add activity. After you have tapped on add activity, you can see video, and this is where you'll be able to upload your video. So you could type in the video name and you could upload it. You can also tap on add activity once more, or you can tap on introduction to exam, and then you could tap on add activity right there, and you can choose to add a PDF, do a presentation, or so on. So you can select, for example, PDF. Then you could type in the PDF name and then tap on save and edit. After you have tapped on save and edit, from here you could tap on select PDF and you could upload the PDF from your device, as you can see right there. So once you're finished doing that, you'll tap on X to close out. And by the way, you can see the course layout from the left hand menu option. So you can see course outline, you can tap on course page layout, and then from there you could edit the course layout or page layout. You can tap right there. If you would like to preview it, you could select preview and then tap on preview course page. At the moment, this is how it looks. So this would be our cover page, and you can see how it looks right there. So if you would like to add a short course description, you could do that by tapping on the pencil icon from the left hand menu option right here. You could tap on edit course, or you can tap on manage courses. After tapping on manage courses, you will be redirected to this page, and you will see the course that you have created thus far. And if you would like to edit the cover image, for example, you could tap on websites from the left hand menu option. After selecting websites, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you could tap on edit website. After selecting edit website, from here you could change this image if you want by tapping on the image. You can also change the text by tapping on the text, and you can scroll down and you can edit each section, as you can see right there. And talking about sections, you could go over to the left hand menu option. If you were to tap on all, you would see all of the section or pages that are currently on your course. You can also tap on affiliates and you can set up the affiliate terms if you would like persons to sign up to your affiliate program and promote your course. You can also tap on course and you can see your course right there. You can tap on external pages and you could see the external pages. And if it is a case that you would like to remove a page, you could hover over the page, hover over the 3 dots and tap on delete page. You can also see the system pages and so on right there. If you would like to set up your funnel, you could tap on funnels, and then from there you could tap on add funnel and you could set up a funnel. You can also add pop-ups by tapping on pop-ups from the top left hand corner. You could add pop-up. You can also add a blog. So you have numerous options when it comes onto Learnworld. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can preview how it looks. So this is the landing page that persons will be redirected to once they tap on your link. Then once they tap on courses, they'll be redirected to this page, and you can see the course that we had created. Then once they tap on the course, they will see the option enroll, and if they were to tap on that, they'll be redirected to this page and they can fill in their card information, then tap on buy now. So that's basically how it will look. And you can also use it to create communities. So you could tap on community right here, and this is where persons will be able to interact with you and other course members. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, if in the future you would like to go onto their paid plan, you can do that by tapping on upgrade. After tapping on upgrade, let's take a look at the different pricing plan. So they start off with $24 per month, With this, you'll be able to offer unlimited paid courses, ebook pages builder, you'll get access to that. You can also offer one-on-one and group sessions. You can also offer drip feed courses. You'll be able to accept 3 different payment options, as you can see right there. And depending on how you're growing, you can choose to go up to the $79 per month plan or so on. As you can see with the starter plan, you'll be charged $5 per course sale with the additional $24 per month. So overall, it would work out to $29 per month if you were to only sell one course. So hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.